Hi! Here is how to book events on the Healthy 365 app. Tap on the Explore button. Next, tap on Events. You can enhance your search by typing the event name or location, or filtering events based on location, date and time, event mode, and age suitability. To book an event, tap on the event. Then tap on Book Now. Complete the health declaration and tap Confirm. Update your emergency contact if you have not already done so. Select your preferred sessions and tap on Confirm Booking. To check that your events have been booked, go back to Home screen. Scroll down to Booked Events to view bookings.